Hey, Mike with AllBrite Pressure Washing and More. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, we specialize in exterior cleaning services, including pressure washing, gutter cleaning, and now laser cleaning. Check out some of our other videos to see what it can do. On this commercial project, we began by cleaning out the gutters and confirming that all downspouts were unobstructed. Next, we detached the downspouts from the underground drainage system. Often, the downspout is secured with rivets. We will drill them out with an 1/8-inch drill bit and replace them with stainless steel screws. This is easier for future maintenance. In order to locate underground drainage pop-ups without digging, we attach a ball valve to the end of our 3/8-inch pressure washing hose. Running water through the pipe allows us to observe where the water surfaces, indicating the location of a drainage exit. Pop-up drains are typically situated close to the surface, but over time they can easily become buried under grass or soil, making it difficult to find. Once we observe where the water is surfacing, we know we found the end. After locating a hidden pop-up drain, we want to cut around it, clear any obstructions, and confirm it's functioning properly. Additionally, we want to inspect underground drainage for leaks. On this particular job, we discovered a couple areas where roots had invaded and grown through the drainage pipe. Roots can infiltrate pipes through small cracks and joints, leading to significant issues over time. If we're unable to locate the end of a pop-up drain using a simple water flow test, we will then use a jetter hose connected to our Honda IGX 800. This will help us find the drain.